computer mouse is funny as it is like a mouse. It is a pointing device like a stick on blackboard. With it, we order the computer to do certain jobs. How it works, do you know? If we move the mouse, the pointer present on the computer screen moves. Here, a movement of the hand is transformed into another movement on the computer screen. This is an optical mouse. There is an LED light on the underside of it. The red light shown on the surface of the desk is reflected back to the mouse. There is a sensor inside the mouse. This is the LED light. This is the sensor. The sensor gets the images of the mouse position. When we move the mouse position, the sensor gets the images of the mouse. It finds the change in the position of the mouse. It transfers this information to computer. The computer changes the position of the pointer on the screen correspondingly. This is how the mouse works.